Here we have We Can Help, a first book of first aid by Vivian French. This 32-page hardcover is a fresh, one-of-a-kind title for both parents and children 3 years and up. From scrapes to scratches, head bumps to bruises, young readers will learn all about the basics of first aid. Nikki had come to play with Enzo, and it was very noisy. Bang! Ouch! Ow! Enzo's mom came in with a tray of snacks. Whatever are you playing, you two? Accidents, said Enzo. Lots of accidents. My dinosaur crashed into the train station, said Nikki. He bumped his head. Mom knows how to make him better, Enzo said. She's a doctor. I'm not sure I know about dinosaurs, said his mom. But when you bumped your head, I wrapped ice in a cloth and held it to the bump. Now each spread will include tips on how to handle the particular type of injury or situation. For example, if someone bumps their head, they should stay sitting down. And always speak to a doctor if they feel dizzy or throw up. Enzo inspected the train driver. I think he cut his leg. Let's make sure the cut is clean, said his mom. Is it bleeding? Only a very teeny tiny bit, Nikki told her. Why don't we just leave it to heal on its own, said Enzo's mom. Sometimes that's best when it's just a little cut. I don't think he needs a bandage. And the tip? Always make sure the cuts are clean to keep out nasty germs. If the cut is on someone's leg, it helps if they keep it raised up. Pressing on the cut with a clean cloth can help too. On the next spread here, Enzo has a nosebleed. Again with the tip. Next spread deals with allergies. Here, how to cope with an upset appetite. Next, we have a warning about bodies of water. Here we have some tips about what to do when you call 911. Again, each has the tip included. Here, what to do in the case of an emergency. Here, the tip says if there's an emergency, try not to panic. Stay as calm as you can. That will help everybody. Always make sure to look for a grown-up and tell them what's happened. And then the story ends with a snack of cookies. Now the book does end with some tips on assembling a first aid kit. You never know when an accident might happen, so it's always best to be prepared. You can help the grown-ups in your family put together a simple first aid kit. Here are some things you might like to include. Wet wipes, a thermometer, antiseptic cream or spray, sticky bandages. Here's some other possibilities to include. And congratulations, you are a fully prepared first aider. And again, it's an index with the different types of injuries or situations included in the book with their page numbers.